the 3 content solution. There you are, putting on a headset, going out there to fight the world of YouTube for views, subscribers, and hopefully some form of income. This is the 3-body problem of YouTube in its simplest form, and I'm going to dispel that for you. There's 3 ways that you can approach YouTube in its simplest form, boiled down to its purest essence.
Cooking is like jazz. You just go where it takes you. Ba-da-ba-pow! Salt.
1. Entertainment. This will get you the most views. This will get you the most engagement. It may get you the most subscribers. This could be the latest news. This could be the latest trends. You talking about the PS6. You talking about the iPhone 20. This could be you being stupid, going into a wood in the middle of Japan just for attention. You could be fighting Mike Tyson. Entertainment catches people's attention immediately. It's flashy, it's got all the bells and whistles, but entertainment can burn out very, very quickly. There are many YouTubers out there that were, at one point, the top of the tree, the YouTuber with the most subscribed channel on this platform. And then over time, that entertainment wears out. Their long-term value disappears. Or they've earned their money and they're done. They're happy to walk away. There's nothing wrong with that.
Just one thing I've learned, bitch, this game is about motherfucking money!
But you have to build a business quickly within that and make sure that the business that you're leaving is sustainable. On the other side is education. I pride myself that this channel's traffic is around about 90% search. This means that even when dealing with my own mental health recently, my ADHD and my depression, I was able to autopilot my channel, upload 1 video a week, and still get 300,000-400,000 views each and every month. Education is basically the answer to people's initial questions. How to download a YouTube video, how to add an end screen, how to make money without AdSense. These are kind of questions and answers that I've answered on my own personal YouTube channel. You have a need, I give you an answer that's hopefully educational, you appreciate it, you act upon it.
Yeah, bitch! Magnets! Oh!
This question continues to be asked over and over and over again by more and more people on the internet, and I get more and more views, and I get some form of trickle through AdSense. But best of all, educational content I tend to find converts better quality sales. Yes, entertainment, you may have millions and millions and millions of people willing to buy a t-shirt, but education, the thirst for knowledge, can bring people to you that want to learn every minute detail of the task that you are giving to.
This is what my class will be. Learn with me. Let's teach each other.
Yay, learning!
So, my YouTube channel has funneled to me the businesses that I need to make a living on a daily basis. I make around about $1,000 per month on AdSense, but I make much more from retainer clients, consultants and clients, digital downloads, educational tools that help people learn for an end goal. So I might not get millions and millions and millions of views per video. In fact, some videos get published and seemingly get next to no views.
Crack it down.
Over time, those videos will grow, or the audience that needs them will find them. So you have the dichotomy of entertainment and education. Loads of views, but maybe not so loyal. Have a look at TikTok, for example. Those people can get thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of views on a video, but then do they really show up to see you at a conference? On the other side, you may have a loyal, rabid fan base of just a few thousand that want to hear every single word that you have to say about the educational topic that you spurt out of your face, and can make a fair income off of teaching those people, being a mentor to that space. Yeah, Alan, you said 3. It's a 3-body problem. Hurry the fuck up.
Blah, blah, blah. We're all very fascinated.
Number 3, edutainment. Now this is a very hard thing to master. It is the merging of the entertainment and education into a symbiotic relationship in the middle. You've all seen them on TV. They're things like Mythbusters, Slow-Mo Guys, Veritasium here on YouTube. They are channels that have an interesting quirk that educate you at the same time. So, Mythbusters, for example, will have a look at how many times you can fold a piece of paper to get you to the moon. And then they'll go out and they'll actually do it in big, huge edutainment-style TV episodes. They'll fold that piece of paper with a crane and they'll truly measure it. That is the holy grail for educational content, because you entertain them, you educate them at the same time, whilst having the viral possibility of being seen by everybody, and then that way, even though it's a niche topic, it becomes mainstream watchable. It truly offers value for everybody to watch. For these kind of ideas, I use a service called syllabi.io. I put in keywords, it tells me how well they rank, how much traffic it could be, and then I go off and create them. But this isn't a sponsored video, it's just me sharing accordingly. If you want to know how to make the best content possible, I've done a playlist here, and I'll see you soon.